This is the Commodore News Update.
Welcome to this Commodore News Update for Friday, May 11th. I'm Imani Leary. The spring sports season is winding down and playoff action begins next week, but we did have some action the last couple of days. On Wednesday, the boys and girls soccer team crushed Lake Taylor. Meanwhile, the tennis teams claimed twin shutout over victories over Norcom. The results weren't so good in softball as Maury lost 17-3 to Warwick. On Thursday, the softball team rallied to sweep a twin bill from Lake Taylor. One game was a makeup for a Tuesday game. In tennis, the boys claimed the 9-0 victory over Kickotan, finishing the regular season schedule unbeaten. The competition does heat up in the playoffs. Today, the softball team travels to Norcom for a game with the Greyhounds. Game time is 4 p.m. On Monday, the JV baseball team battles Lake Taylor. Game time is 4 p.m. at Lake Taylor. Now here's what's happening at MHS. The senior prom is tomorrow night at the Waterside Marriott. We hope everyone has a great time. Last but not least, SOL testing begins next week for math courses. Monday's testing begins with Algebra 2. Good luck to everyone. That's all for Commodore News Update for Friday, May 11th. I'm Imani Leary. Have a great weekend.
This has been a Commodore News Update.